I made this custom model few years ago and I posted for sale on eBay. Somebody bought it, but unfortunately he did never pay for it, and so I ended up with the model. So what I did is now I remove all the talking functions, so it will not make sense since it say I am the blue engine. So that's the reason I removed the but it's now 4.5 volts model. So now before we do the test, we got this on the mail from a company sent by ALAMPEVER, and it's an oversized LED light bulb. Let's make an unboxing. Ooh. Oh man, I hope I didn't break it. This is glass. Well, at least I see it's well protected. Okay. It seems to be okay. Wow, look at this oversized LED light bulb from ALAMPEVER. It's a smoky glass. Oh, that's nice. All right, I gotta do some installation. All cable. Don't try this at home. Wow, that is nice. Look at the size of this light bulb. Check the link in the description for this nice smoky LED light bulb from ALAMPEVER. I'm gonna keep it on my chop. Isn't it that nice? Check the link below. That's a very nice LED light bulb. So check the link in the description if interested. Let's do some test run on this model. It's a little faster. We have the switch, and it does come with a light, LED light. Look at that. Wow, that is nice. Okay, let's put it on the track. A little faster. Hold on. Hold on. Oh, it comes out of tracks. There you go. I'm gonna turn off the lights. That looks cool. Look at that. Nice. I have this for sale on eBay. Check the link below too. This model has been modified and is the only one I have from a talking Thomas, and with LED light, and it's a little faster. It's not intended for these Trackmaster Revolution tracks. It's for Trackmaster 1 or Tomy tracks, for the tan tracks. So look at that, shiny. Very nice, nice, nice. Check the link below if interested. Nice.